Would you like your brand to have far greater differentiation, visibility, credibility, likability, to stand out head and shoulders above your competitors with the pulling power that attracts your ideal customers far more effortlessly? Are you considering or in the process of adapting, pivoting, or expanding your offering, but you're not entirely clear on where your opportunities for innovation and growth lie in the context of rapidly changing market dynamics? Do you have an outstanding product or service, but hostile conditions have impacted your sales negatively? Are you considering an update, rebrand, or brand refresh, but you're not quite sure where to start to get a profitable return on your investment and increased revenue? Now more than ever, we need to be differentiating, connecting with our primary target audience on their terms, mitigating risk, and leveraging new opportunities for innovation and growth. This is for you if you want to differentiate more strongly from your competitors in customer terms so you can stand out. Build unshakable relevance, trust, and credibility amongst your ideal target audience so you can increase your customer base, likability, visibility, referral, and retention. Increase your perceived value, margins, and sales so you grow your profits faster. Develop your brand hierarchy and product or service portfolio to avoid customer confusion so you can maximize your upsells and cross-sells. Engineer business model resilience, innovation, and product development so you can future-proof your organization and its ability to leverage opportunity in adversity. Achieve higher revenue faster and consistently. I'll share with you professional brand strategy made accessible with simplified, affordable systems using proprietary IP, innovation and technology combined with 20 plus years award-winning expertise. The focus is on making the complex easy as ABC so you can transform your brand and increase your sales. I'll also share with you what other leanly resourced businesses have done to drive growth from a complete enforced standstill. How some of these SME traditional businesses are now up fourfold in 12 months. So you can take those actionables and apply them to differentiate more strongly, leverage new opportunities, and achieve higher revenue too. Hi, my name is Lorraine Carter, founder of Persona Branding and Design. I've over 20 years award-winning branding expertise working nationally and internationally with many household names, small and large. And I'll be sharing with you key insights so you can unlock the systems and processes used to differentiate more strongly, ensure resilience and relevance, grow trust, and identify opportunities for innovation and growth to increase your revenue, expand your market share, build your brand asset value, and ensure your long-term commercial resilience. Be unstoppable in uncertainty. Click the link to discover more.